The Canon error code 30 typically indicates a malfunctioning shutter mechanism, a sensitive and precise camera component that must function flawlessly to capture the moment every time the shutter button is pressed. This error can occur due to a failure of the shutter mechanism or a low voltage supply. To resolve the issue, it is recommended to start by resetting the camera. Remove the memory card and batteries for a short period. Then put them back in and turn on the camera. If the problem persists, consider seeking expert guidance or contacting an authorized service for assistance. Additionally, ensure that the battery is fully charged by plugging the camera into the included charger or another suitable one. If the battery is outdated or no longer holds a sufficient charge, it may be time to replace it. By taking these steps, the error should be resolved, and the camera should be functioning properly again.